Hey everybody, this is Edujo and welcome to another video in my series on the treasure hunt game that we are making, the maze game that we are making in GameMaker 8 Lite. And in this video, I'm going to show you, if I just double click that level 1, I'm going to show you how to add treasure, how to then go collect the treasure, and then how to get, let's say 10 points for every time you collect treasure. So again, very similar to the bouncy ball game, where you had to click on the ball and you get 5 points, 10 points or whatever, and that score increases as you go along. So first things first, we don't have a treasure sprite, so we have to go and collect that. So I'm going to say, let's call it Sprite Treasure. We want to load a sprite. Let's see, I think I should have two treasures. There we go, two treasures. I've got these two. Which one? Let's go for this one. You can see it's 32 by 32. I'm going to open that one. Let me just change that to a capital T. And we've got our Sprite Treasure now. There's nothing else we want to change this to, so we go to Object, we create the object, or we convert the Sprite Treasure to Object Treasure, so we can have it part of the coding if we want. We don't have to change to solid because we're not going to bounce off it, so we can say OK for that one. Now we can have the object treasure, and generally what I do when I look at the maze games is I want to make sure that I didn't make any part of my maze redundant, in the sense that the hero never goes in there. We want to make sure that our sprite visits, our hero visits every part of our maze. So I'm going to put one there, so you can see the character has to go, the hero. It has to follow this path to get to that sprite. Whoops, not there, that's right there. It has to follow the path there, and then basically all you do is you follow along and you just make sure it visits every part. Over here it can either go this way or that way to get here, so to ensure it goes there as well as there, I just put it like that. I want it to come all the way to here, all the way to there, all the way to there, so it goes, let's see, it's going to go all those places there, and then when it comes down we want it to go there, and then it'll eventually go to the end. Right, let's count how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is perfect. We have 10 with a score of 10. So I'm going to go back to my object hero, and I'm going to double click the object hero, and this time what I want to say is I want to add the event, and this is the collision event, just like with the bouncing ball game. I'm going to click that, and when our hero collides with the object treasure, what I want to happen is we want to use this, well, we're in the main one, you may be there, but you go to main one, you go to this one, looks like the recycle bin in Windows, it says destroy instance, we drag that one across. You don't want to apply it to the self, because that's going to destroy your actual hero. You want to apply it to another object, or in this case I want to select the object, and then I want to select the treasure. So when we collide with the treasure, we want to destroy the treasure in that sense. If I just say other, let me just show you what happens if I just select other. I'm going to say now that applies to the object treasure. So what will happen when I now run the game is, as soon as I collide with the object treasure, any one of them, doesn't matter, then theoretically they should, oh they don't. I had the suspicious thing in my head that all the treasure is going to disappear. Okay, it didn't. Interesting. Interesting. Right, let me get out of there and let's have a look. So we destroy the instance. It's not the self, so other works. I thought you had to select object treasure, but it's already colliding with that, so we'll keep it like that for now. It's okay. And if I'm going to go to score, just like with the bouncy ball game, I'm going to select that one. I'm going to say 10. Every time I collect the treasure is 10. I have to make it relative because you need to go 10, 20, 30 and so on as you collect the treasure. We're going to say OK, and then you obviously need to test your game. And we don't have to test all of it. We know that once we collect one, you can see there's now the score over there, 10. We collect another treasure. There we've got 20. and then we have 30, and so on. So I don't have to go and collect all the treasures in this case, because we know now that we've destroyed 3, we've collected 3, and we have that basically in our pocket, so the rest should work. Okay, so that is how this part of the game works. So we've created the treasure object, and when we collide with the treasure, we destroy the treasure, and we set the score relative to 10. So in the next video, I will show you how we can end the first level by, not the level all in all, just the level in the sense that once we have collected all the treasure, there will be a door, the door will be destroyed, and then we can go, let's say, to the flag, and the flag will take us to a new level. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.